All right, people, we have this Hyperfine, and they're going to be a medical, I guess, medical device. AI, though. AI as well. They have the groundbreaking health technology company has redefined brain imaging with the first FDA-cleared AI-powered portable MRI system for the brain, the Swoop system. Today announced the successful enrollment of 100 patients in its NeuroPMR. The study just 16 weeks after the study initiation announced April 15th. This milestone reflects strong clinician enthusiasm. See, that's the thing. These AI companies like this that make devices or even therapies, it can take a while for them to get the hit, because you would also have, wait a minute, and B-Fly. Their earnings were decent. And I wouldn't even say they were bad earnings at all. People didn't like it. Look at them there. B-Fly, they're making sales. They're expected. They could have crazy growth if they get something. If they get some kind of partnership or some more deals. B-Fly needs more hospitals and networks. Maybe even I don't know how much colleges or universities would affect, but they need some partnerships with B-Fly, because I'm still confident. I got more of them. I think they'll do things. Misses revenue estimates, but they didn't. That wasn't their own. They're saying it's lag. Quarterly loss. Represents earning surprise. A quarter ago, it was expected this company would post a loss per share when it actually produced a loss 0.06, delivering a surprise of 33%. I think they still have a good rating on here. Actually, I think the Zacks rating is going to be a hold. But you have them. Humacyte too. My sweet love Humacyte. They have not announced the cost, how much their military contract actually was. They just said they had one with the VA and the military. So that, when they announced that at earnings, their earnings, they did not announce the cost. So that, the sale follows the recent ECAT listing. I think this approximately 160 U.S. Department of Veterans Affairs hospitals. Humacyte, that'll be excellent for them. I definitely believe that is so. Then we have Health and Tech. Health and Tech, they are doing excellently. They were named on some lists, and this was when they were started at the year. I don't know if they get to that again, but we have them. Health and Tech, they barely had a news article, really. It was about being featured on something. Where is it? See, this new to the street premieres on Bloomberg tonight, featuring industry leaders, Health and Tech. That, I believe, is their news, but none of these don't technically have to do with health and tech. But Health in Tech, with a name like that, I think they bring some hype. And Health and Tech, little penny stock insurance company. So, Oscar, I think Oscar, they could get back to their old ways. I really do believe that is so. And Oscar, 2 million members. People think this affordable care will affect them, but I think people will be looking for affordable care, and everybody hates UNH. Everybody hates them. So, Oscar, and they're saying this affordable care could be extended. If that ends up happening, either way, I think it's good for Oscar. People are underestimating Oscar, for sure. Then we have TNXP up 14% today. No news on their drug yet, the non-opioid, but I don't know why they're saying race against time. It's not exactly, promising FDA, that's going to be their non-opioid fibromyalgia. Nope. There's no news on it, but that, I think, exciting. And then MBOT too, waiting on their approval. Man, oh man, MBOT, they'll do it. They'll get it, hopefully. Microbot Medical, they already hired these people, that former Olympian, to sell the system, but MBOT will definitely shoot they will shoot for sure, and then they'll go back down. As far as our calls today, ONS is definitely doing the best. ONS, they are going to have their drone in a box data pilot program with Europe. I think they're coming into something big soon, and when they announce that, it's going to be big news. Well, I think it already is. Wait a minute. Successfully converts initial government-led counter-drone pilot programs in Europe and Asia, paving way for long-term homeland security deployments. This, excellent news for ONS. But that would be Prime, that's another one. That is those gene therapies. I think Prime is another biotech that could certainly do something. Iova, I'm hoping. BBI, god damn it, BBI. They need something. And they have this shipbuilding ad on their YouTube, or the shipyard remodeling thing. Ooh, NB. And I also have the Hyper one. This Hyper one is $2 for January. I bet they better start selling those MRIs. God damn it, portable MRIs, whatever the hell. But this, and then mining stocks, people, they acquired something. NB, they acquired part of their mine, which Elk Creek, they were leasing it, I guess. Now they've had developments, purchases key land parcel. God damn it, that's definitely good. Is pleased to announce it is formally closed on the purchase of 3 key land parcels associated with the company's Elk Creek Critical Minerals Project. Gosh, this one. Along with the land Neocorp purchase in 2021, the acquisition provides the company with land needed to locate a significant portion of the Elk Creek project plan, production operations, and infrastructure, along with improvements to the local road system, once sufficient project financing is obtained. They need, gosh, something from the Pentagon, just like MP got, and that would be, or MP. That would make me the happiest person. God, people, that MB, it'd be amazing. But anyways, those would be some things that are up. What would we have down? However, it's not up as much as I would like after getting that, well, the Canadian government not up approval. Now they're up to $3.4 million from the Canadian government. And all the stuff that Archer and Joby's going to do. Oh, wait, and Joby purchasing this other little guy, Blade, like an infrastructure one. Oh my God. Archer needs to get their shit together. God damn it. Freaking Joby. Wait, they're going to be behind Blade, which is sort of similar to Surf Air Mobility, but in the sense it doesn't have the Palantir investment, and now it's owned by Joby. Joby's going to acquire this, which they certainly had an up after that. I don't know how that's going to work with the shares, though. I guess we shall see. You also have UAVS up. Man, oh man, when UVS was up, I thought they were going to take a break since Hans was up, but I guess that is certainly not the case. Did they have news? Oh man, drones deliver. How Texas wildfire fishers use you. Oh wait, no, that's not them. Maybe it's just because that's their name. No, I don't know. This one, but or maybe it's with Hans, and people are just seeing that these drones, people, God, they're going to be a big part of everything. A big part. Then you have Peraso. Peraso's not looking the best, but they're another communications. Very important communications and patented military type communications too. Peraso, I don't count them out. Plug, they did okay today. I have the hydropower batteries. I definitely think Plug could do some things. Gevo, my sweet baby Gevo. If Hans can do it, UAVS can do it. I think Gevo, well, totally unrelated, but sustainable aviation fuel. I think Gevo, they have a chance, people. And they have revenue. Gevo makes revenue, people. That's the other one. And they really need this pipeline thing, even though, and then with all the natural gas stuff, low carbon jet fuel foresees huge investment in Western North Dakota. All this stuff with the natural gas and whatnot, and the energy, that could definitely, something could end up coming to Gevo. Europe investing in our energy, Japan investing in our energy, South Korea investing in our energy. I think Gevo could actually do something eventually, but they are a slow road. They're not a drone stock. They're an environmentally friendly stock.